Are you looking for a pull jack that truly delivers, not just on performance, but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best pull jack you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. Big Red 3-ton capacity Torin 48 inches ratcheting off-road utility farm jack. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. Tackle tough terrain and heavy-duty tasks with the Big Red 3-ton Torin 48 inches ratcheting off-road utility farm jack, built for performance, durability, and versatility. With an impressive 6,000 pounds capacity and a lifting range from 5.12 to 40 inches, this jack is perfect for lifting, pulling, clamping, winching, and spreading in off-road, farm, and emergency situations. Whether you're working on your truck, SUV, or farm equipment, the multi-directional design allows for both vertical and horizontal use. The fast-lifting ratcheting mechanism ensures efficiency, while the wide base adds critical stability during use on uneven terrain. Designed with rugged environments in mind, this jack features a rust-resistant, powder-coated finish and zinc-plated hardware for long-lasting durability. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts, ranchers, or emergency responders, the Big Red utility jack is more than just a jack. It's a vital tool for getting the job done when and where it matters most. A must-have for any serious gear setup or overland rig. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. ARCAN Tools 3-ton quick-rise aluminum floor jack with dual pump pistons and reinforced lifting arm. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. Take your vehicle maintenance to the next level with the ARCAN 3-ton quick-rise aluminum floor jack, engineered for performance, strength, and portability. Crafted from lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, this jack is easy to maneuver yet strong enough to handle up to 3 tons. The dual pump pistons deliver fast lifting action, raising the saddle to load height in seconds, perfect for cars, light trucks, and SUVs. Featuring a reinforced lift arm, this jack offers superior durability, improved chassis torsion control, and long-term reliability in demanding garage conditions. Its low-profile design lifts as low as 3.75 inches and as high as 18 inches, giving you versatile access under various vehicle types. A side mount handle provides convenient positioning, and the jack meets ASME PASE 2019 safety standards for trusted operation. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a seasoned mechanic, the ARCAN floor jack offers the ideal blend of precision, power, and professional-grade safety. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. Jack Boss 3-ton low-profile aluminum and steel racing floor jack with dual pistons quick lift pump for sport utility vehicle. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. Elevate your vehicle maintenance game with the Jack Boss 3-ton low-profile racing floor jack, a heavy-duty solution built for power, speed, and precision. Designed with a combination of lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel, this jack delivers a massive 3-ton lifting capacity, making it perfect for sedans, SUVs, travel trailers, and even minibuses. Its low-profile design allows for easy access under vehicles with minimal ground clearance, starting at just 3 to 15 by 16 inches. Equipped with a dual-piston quick lift pump, it ensures fast, effortless elevation, while the large rubber saddle protects your vehicle's undercarriage. Built for maneuverability, the jack features durable steel casters and swivel front wheels, plus a sturdy 2-piece handle for convenient transport. With safety as a top priority, this jack meets ANSI or ASME PASE standards and comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Whether you're working in the garage or at the track, the Jack Boss Floor Jack is your go-to tool for reliable, efficient lifting. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number one for many users. Number 2. Jungle Gym's commercial or push mower jack lift most mowers, even ZTR's 800-pound capacity. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. Take your lawnmower maintenance to the next level with the Jungle Gym's commercial or push mower jack, the ultimate lifting solution for ZTRs, stand-on mowers, and walk-behinds. With a massive 800-pound capacity and 19-inch lifting height, this patented jack is perfect for commercial landscapers and serious DIYers alike. Built from powder-coated alloy steel, it offers rugged durability and rust resistance, backed by a 2-year weld warranty. The spring-loaded lifting tooth securely hooks onto the mower deck for fast setup, while the twist-handle safety arm locks your mower in place without the hassle of pins. Weighing just 15 pounds, it's highly portable and ideal for storage on trailers or in garages. Use it to sharpen blades, change tires, clean decks, or service belts, all with greater safety and efficiency than car ramps or standard jacks. Compatible with 90% of mowers and with an optional 3-inch tooth upgrade, Jungle Gym's mower jack is the smarter, safer way to maintain your mower. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. Mojack Easy Max Riding Lawnmower Lift, 450 pounds lifting capacity, fits most residential and AMP, ZTR mowers, space-saving folding. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. Tackle lawnmower maintenance with confidence using the Mojack Easy Max Riding Lawnmower Lift, your go-to tool for safer, easier lawn care. With a robust 450 pounds lifting capacity, this mower lift is engineered to fit most residential tractors and zero-turn mowers, offering a reliable alternative to unstable car ramps. Whether you need to sharpen blades, replace belts, or remove debris, the Easy Max simplifies every maintenance task. Its quick assembly means you're up and running in minutes, while the foldable, space-saving design allows for convenient storage when not in use. Built for durability and safety, this lift ensures you maintain your equipment efficiently without strain or risk. Weighing just 64.8 pounds and finished in a bold red, it stands out for both strength and style. With dimensions of 38 into 45 into 48 inches, it delivers big on performance without taking up too much space. Keep your mower in peak condition. Choose the Mojack Easy Max for smarter lawn care. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.